svidor is Bergnarvish Mori.
Thes agam garbí seo ar chochmór hús a gralí, ach cydíf an chalín rúmda seo a taina hédan, cé hí, tá súl agam sa gam im a chara hiúdi a bhult an ches seo a úscailt. An é seo cion, cé hí gwalas a ceitio an chochmór seo, tasa a da choníon seo. A nílas agam le fírinne cé hí an chalín bag seo, char beag as ní dóilamsa go bhuiam amach.
Well, that's good. Chláhór é me chommy.
Che, ní me chommy.
Agus bus a pictar a linn seogan van chláhíarna ar a bhála.
Sé tí fiad an cinneal de charwan in sin?
Crálaí fásta.
Gus mu leim nó scéalta buint leis an chláhór sin?
Well, why are you going to the unique was the van story in here in like hugely free caution to team glory. Glory.
No be she hold doy was
an claw na hasun has jocklish fuel van a story in here in free the fall. No, it's Haven't you come sort of first edition when the transition started?
Magalior, ní hewan go an chloch seo amsithe agam a tá alles failte agam sa faste, mal beidir é a chailní nóg, tá cusalach waith rudí inis. Gydí seo forma fear agus forma capel leis a hir chart a puist a dhéanú as san nui. Den hir chionelle, thes agan ceitseoil chlochmór a gralí agus beidir go bhfuil éasach hiúdaí cé hí an chalín rún díomhar seo. A nílas agan le fírinne cé hí an chalín bag seo.
Haven't you come sort of first edition when the transition started? So the Charlie see some sort of Jim Lianahan motion, better Rob Buggy's money, or Nis Lugan, I should know. Should stop who was for Crawley, I guess Shillam was a grunt to hay can, so you should see John Hosser, Grusha Gobila, far and after Curty pushed him, but there could be far the Jim in the Curty show. Ah, shit, it's Visha Gobilish.
Niva was like onion, a slinion, or wooden shaft.
Seems to be Kennedy.
Kennedy.
Yeah, Sheila.
I was being Tahir Gobber the John Hind Martian, John Hind, the Green Graf.
John Hind for
Green Graf, John Hind.
Yeah, well, Kai Sugar Shane.
Hello, John Hind Images.
Hello, John Hind Postcards. I'm trying to track down someone who works there, who I believe is called Kennedy. Would you have someone of that name working there, please?
We do, yes. Hold on a moment. Hello.
Hello, is that Mr. Kennedy speaking?
John Kennedy here, yes.
I'm up here in Donegal with a postcard, an old postcard. And I'm given to understand by someone local that it may have been yourself that took the photograph.
Yeah, I actually took that one, all right.
And do you know who the little girl is?
Yeah, that's my daughter.
Well, look, I don't know if you can help me here, but I'm trying to recreate that photo today, in today's setting, I mean. And I was wondering if I could get in touch with her in some way. Would you be able to get her to get in touch with me or fix it up for me?
Yeah, sure. Leave it with me and I'll be able to do something about that.
Idir Dalian, ta misha a go a chlochmór seo ecail a gralí. Seo mar sin rud beag tíbal muid a chralí agus tá má ní hacht chluic seo, chluichmór seo a bhfuil mé a tóir hí. Drochór, tá rudaí amaidí scrífar hí na lé atá nniuón, ní higlann sa rud a bí dhéanamh sin. Ach ní dóinam sa go fáil go bhfuil mar tíor cheart, mar sin céim a go trasta. Agus sin é go ddíireach son in the dad road. Chin road atá is ar iri, sin cailín.
Shocking but nothing, we're just moments. Clever but we're clueless, we're just human.
Agus mis a fannacht ar a chailín seo, caiithima an cheis seo lenas a chur arm sa chéan, an mé seans bí, hacht ar an Irish Colleen. Tá ma ceinial imneach, an bheicear sibh an bhain seo, nílas a géine céithí, agus nílas duine bí caiite bhfuil an teap bag ceann tí sin. Agus tá mis a géirí ceinial imneach an seo, nílas agan céacha ó bhuiam amach nó nachhui. Tá rugbaig dócha sean go fáil. Mar tá Tony McHugh agus tá sé híos sa chranáig. Chola sé gur sainolalaithú ar cartaí poist go hairid le chuid na háite. Agus tá ceanháin seo agam agus tá fáibhheig agam sa leis. Tá mar thóir do me géirí fan amach céhí an bhain seo agus céimáid é seo atá sa gríon grafa.
Sin I ceann ceanna a gur difar a tatrú.
Tenta chun.
Dante Mahacha. The calling with the eyes of blue is just a little rogue, for she steals the very heart of you with the blarney and her brogue, like Eva Brennan. Now she gas?
Tá sé galanta. Agus mé bhaith níl sé ar bhain.
Well, we aine go mar in we mag an scala agus ni vasam qualitation nash marvisha we aine go mar masam gur Margaret bejer we
Well, Tanya Muggan G's a Jerry.
masam gur Margaret ama
Annie Vetcha Bio Les
Nielma sure to dashin.
Your blue eyes often water, your white skin like winter snow, your fair hair's on your body, scented kisses spring flowers.
Ach an bhfuil fear Irish Calling seo Margaret Bio go fáil, rachi meis le Tony go dtí an seanteach a thens an charta poist a fáil amach.
Masam go sinna ta.
Sí.
Sinna ya trosha but go do ara. So ram it staff kar me kested.
Valentine seo, beidir go mé siki. De réir macharan seo. Bhíú ban in na cónaí an san teach seo, led an tíl dar banne Margaret. An bhfuil sé sin fia?
Nero.
Níró, haró. Well, beidir go mé tan carta poist an seo agus beidir go mé agad sa nó recon tú é céhí an bhain sin mar sin.
Sin
Una.
Una.
Sin una, céhí una.
and said massa.
Ag magul tatu. Tan Daniels ma hóir. Agus seo an teach do bharu.
She on top. She.
Sin farfra mar sin.
Panig me feet.
Oh, well, it's jazz búla that's mar sin a una. Fi tú dáil go fáil. Agus an cúin letsa an áid ar tágúin pactar seo.
Kenya.
Jé?
Yeah.
Céan áid?
And so.
Díarach an seo?
Giancho.
Agus an cúin letsa an fear a hógan gríon graf sin.
Oh, no, some. Something.
As London?
London,
as
yeah.
London,
She wasn't just saying, na fi done the gas. And she knows. He was a mother.
Agus céan níos bhí agad sa ag an ná?
17.
Oh, yeah. Agus an bhfuil cóp agad sa den charta poist sin?
Yeah.
Níl?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, tas agam...
We shall like to know you come, but I watch an address, but
Tá siad cailte leis?
har hon as
Well, tas agam fear a bhfuil chuid mhaid cópa da. Egisan, tá go leor an near seo, ír ceann nuí.
Yo me she can die. Yo me she can.
Agus leis an Dan,
Yeah, can well I say yo me she can die can say.
tá Dan ionta jazz ar ceann sa git.
There's not but care on every hand. And every
Okay, Una, get the cheasún sin.
that signifies
Anis, an scanna sin, an tucula sé chur ar chúl, ar the chúl in the hall. Sin é is fanpáma sin ná bógan is.
green road the rushes roll. Green road the rushes roll. The sweetest
Well, bhfuil is a go bhfuil hosúmid sin seo, bhí rud amháin a bhí mar cinse dearfaide. Agus sí sin gur ón bhain a títar in san fictar sin, náró sí lenne níos mó. Gró sí marú, nó mar dúirt me gró sí lí na firinne. Go deimhin fuair me sé an Irish Colleen Allen seo, agus tá sí mar cónaí sa teachchean hiarna de ceirascóir bliana nuas. A go déobh an Irish Colleen eile seo a tá cruthú clochmhór cholí.
There's dancing behind movie scenes, behind the movie scene. Sati Rani, she's the one that keeps the dream alive from the morning.
Hello? Are you Eamon?
Are you Kellyanne?
I am indeed.
Go on. Really?
Yeah.
Very pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you tell me you're really the girl in this photograph?
I am, yeah, long time ago.
How did it come about?
Basically, we were on holidays just down in, like, there's a caravan park down the road, and we just walked up here and my dad saw the opportunity and just took the photo.
I mean, did you become